Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we have new scholarship video for you and it's from Netherlands. So it's a fully funded scholarship which do not require IELTS and TOEFL to study in Netherlands for session 2022 and 2023. It's a fully funded government scholarship. We will discuss it in a while. We'll show you live application process and step-by-step guide. And there are a lot of scholarships we will discuss about this and we'll show you how to apply to each of them. Before we do that, I am reminding you again, if you are watching this video for the first time, please like and subscribe this channel. Also comment down below the video if you have any doubts. Please watch full video so that you cannot miss any part of applying to this Netherlands scholarship. Scholarship link is given in the description below. Please check video description of YouTube channel. It's given below the video and click on that link given there. Once you click on that, it will take you to our website here. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is full scholarships and you can get link there. You can also message us there. We will answer your questions. So here you can check list of Netherlands scholarship without IELTS. So it will cover bachelor's and masters. It's a fully funded scholarship, and we have mentioned some top universities which do not require IELTS to study, like Amsterdam University, uh, Groningen University, Leiden University, and here are top 5 reasons to study in Netherlands. And here is a list of scholarship to be applied, and you can study easily on in Netherlands. So it's also like have a Holland scholarship. So you can once you reach the websites, you can read it according to your own. Now you can check Maastricht University scholarship. So it offers 24 full scholarships. So here you can check financial coverage, visa coverage, everything is covered, and deadline for this particular scholarship is 1st of February 2022. So here you can check apply now. Apply here button is given in the second step. Just click on this apply here button. Once you click on that apply here button, it will take you to the official university. Here you can check details about scholarship, and here is the steps given below. So in the application procedure, you can directly click on the application procedure and it will take you to this page here. So now it's shown on the right side step 1 and step 2. First you need to register for master's program via study link. Then you need to fill application form on this particular website for scholarships and other details. So first let's register in the study link. Just click on this link here. Once you click on that link, it will take you to this study link page. If you are new for the first time here watching this video, if you have not watched our videos previously, then you don't know how to sign up. Just click on this create link account here and it will take you to the sign up. Just fill the details correctly, as the details that you fill here you don't need to fill again in the application form. Once you have everything done, you can go back and click on this login with digi. Without DGD, use the same email and the password that you generated while signing up, then click on login. So let's wait for the login. We have previously applied to many of scholarships here. So let's log in. And if you have previously applied to this, please comment down that I have used study link and how is your experience with this. So like we have previously showed many of the applications. Now you won't have these applications here if you are applying for the first time. So this will be your interface. Just click on this study programs. Then click on this add new enrollment and wait for the load. So now you need to search for this Maastricht University. Keep the name Maastricht. Then select the education institution. So here you need to choose this university. So here you can check our university is listed here. Just click on this university and you can choose the masters or bachelors according to what do you want to study. So you can check. I have selected masters as I want to study in them. So you can check. Lot of courses are here. Whenever you found your course, just so let us suppose I'm just showing you an example of any course. Let me you can check. Lot of courses are there. You can scroll down to the next page and so for example I have found this full-time course in this European study research. Just the language is English. Just click on this select button here. This is just a registration. So just once you are in this page you can read again. Then when do you want to start, say first year, or if you are an exchange student you can start from advanced here. Now click next. So after that you have to answer these questions. So no non-EA who upload this have to pay handling fee, or other than you can also request for waiver by writing mail to the university that I'm an international student and I have no ability of this submitting the fee due to financial concerns or due to COVID strains last 2 years. So kindly waive off. You can request university. Now you can check the page is loading for the next question. So let's wait for the page. So you might have some questions here. If there is no question, then it will directly. So could you please give us the name of school where you have graduated? So type the university of name that you have previously studied in. I am just randomly submitting detail. Just click on the next question, and there might be next. So you can say street number of that university or address of that university, then zip code. Now city, then click next. So you can have the country and read details. Then next question, say next. So you can check overviews, then save answers, and once you save answers, click on next. Then you can read about this registration, then click accept here, then click on confirm. So now your registration will be done in a second. So here you can check Maastricht University. So here you can check enrollment application submitted. So now our enrollment application submitted. So we can go to the message, and if we have our so let's wait for any messages if we have. So let's also check the email in the meantime. So here you can check enrollment application sent in institution. Now they will send you a email and the password. We will receive an email and a password, and I will show you where that email will and password will be used. Now go back to the first scholarship page where you click it for the application registration. Like this, we first step one we had done the study link, we completed step one. Now we need to complete step two and click on this application form here. Once you click on that application form, it will take you to this login page. Now you don't know the username and password, so let's wait for the email so that we can get this password. You will receive this username and password. Once you receive your username and password, just log in and select these details that we submitted in the study link. These details will be automatically shown in this in the login portal. These details will be automatically shown in our login portal here. Once you log in, you have to select yes, I want scholarship, and upload few documents like previous transcript, all documents that are required for your studies. And once you submit that, your application will be successful. In the meantime, let's wait for the email. So let me refresh one mail again. So there is no mail right now. So if we have to wait around 24 hours, once you get that mail, you need to fill this application and upload documents and fill this submission of scholarship. So this was the first scholarship that we had, the mastery scholarship. Now let's fill this TU Delft University Excellence Scholarship. So click on this apply here, and same manner you have to have Radboud University, Holland University, Netherlands Government Scholarship, Orange International Scholarship, so University of Twente Scholarship. You have a lot of scholarships here. So let us apply to these one by one. So like Justice Louis, we have already made video on this. Absolutely video is made on our this. So you need to complete this MSc application here. Then upload the scholarship form. This scholarship form you need to download and fill this. So scholarship form is loading. So let's wait for this scholarship form. It might take few seconds as they include images in there, or they it depends only on your internet speed. So let's wait for this. Till now, let's see the application procedure. Here you can check. We need again to go to study link that we already were, and then choose this university. TU Delhi University, and accordingly the procedure we adopted earlier is the same procedure. Again, you have to go to the same portal, just choose this university and attach add to these university, and then choose any courses in this university particularly, like we earlier chose this master scholarship. Then now we need to choose this TU Delhi University. Once you do that in the study link, then you get your again your ID like this. We have the same ID in this case. Once you have your ID, login and have your registration, and then upload documents for scholarship and other details. So in this manner, you can get this scholarship also. Now there is nothing to be get confused. Now the third scholarship is Radboud University, and every Holland university has the same procedure. All you need to is just, and this particularly has the 20th February scholarship deadline, and TU Delft has the 1st December. So this is almost now gone, so you can't apply to this particularly. Okay, this is 2022, so you have 1 year around for this. So it's 2021, so I'm sorry for that. So you have 1 year of the scholarships. Now you can check Radboud University. So you can check again. The same procedure is every scholarship. So how to apply? So application for admission is given here. So you need to start your application either in this university portal, or students with an international degree. You can click this. Now you can choose which program you want. Say suppose we have interest in this environment. We can click on this course. Now start procedure. Now you can check again. We need to go to study link. Here I will show you again what is study link that we earlier went to. So let's wait for the study link to load. So here you can check. Again, we need to click on study. So here you can check enrollment sent. We have received the message for the previous. So let's wait for the login also. So now again, you need to go here, choose the Radboud University like this. So click on add enrollment. Now select the education institute. Like earlier I said Delft University, TU Delft University. So this is the TU Delft University. Now we need to go for this Radboud University. Choose this Radboud University. In the same manner, you have this Holland Government Scholarship and Netherlands Government Scholarship. Then University of Twente Scholarship. In the same portal again, you have to choose the University of Twente. So here you can check all universities are given here. Only you have to choose one by one, add to the add courses, select a course, answer questions, then send registration. Once you have your registration, you will receive inbox with some email and password, and use the same email to upload documents. And like these document, motivation letter, CV, handling fee, English certificate, and once you are done with that, your application will be automatically successful. I hope you answered this process and like our dedication in showing this scholarship to you. Please, if you have any doubt, please comment down below. Also, if you are watching this video for the first time or have previously watched our videos but have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It's absolutely free. Smash that red subscribe button and like this video. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.